Today we are going to visit my backyard garden. We are in the garden today. I am moving the soil, so when you dig the hole, you put you have to put this so it could protect less less weeds. Peeling the weeds out. See the weeds? You gotta clean out the area, the weeds out. Make sure everything is off, and then you put them on the side, and then you start to plant, and then you start digging. You start digging the soil, so you could start putting the seeds or the plant. See the pumpkin seeds? That's the pumpkin seed right there. And then there's squash. This is squash seeds or pumpkin seeds. See? And then, but this is something. And then this is the corn that we grew over there. See? And then this is the seed. These are the yellow seeds. You see the seeds? The seeds are here. See, the seeds they're small. See them? And then I'm gonna grow it here, some here, and then some there. I don't know. And then there's yellow, and then there's green. I don't know. And then there's orange. There's orange pepper. You see these? There's an orange pepper.
How many can you put in there at one time?
You can put 3 at one time.
And do you put them close to each other?
No, you don't put each other. I'm going to show you how I planted the purple onion. Here's the purple onion. You see how it is grown already? And then, see, you dig it. And then you put it here. And then you cover it like this. So, where this goes. And there you go. And it grows under. It grows under, like, and then the squash grows up, and then the potato grows down. It's just like, just like the onion. That's the potato plant. And then we're gonna dig the potato tree. This is the potatoes, and these are small potatoes. See them? These are two. See the potatoes? This is the potatoes. See them? Yeah. Do you know why we have wires? Because we have chick bucks, we have bunnies, we have all kinds of animals that is coming to our gate. They are so cute, but they are annoying to our plants. Kalalu. And you can make legume. You could eat it. You can make legume. Then that's the tomato right there. Tomato. See the tomato? And then the tomato plant, it grew tall. And then the squash, it makes space. It makes big space, larger space. And then the potato, see the potato right there? The potato plant is right over there. See it? That's the potato. That right there, that's the pepper, green pepper flower. And then that's the corn right there. That's the corn. See the corn? The corn, it grows tall. And then here's the corn. See the corn? I mean, it's bad, but it's probably good. Something. And the cucumbers. Here's the cucumbers. See, it's green. And then here's the cucumber. See, there's one right there. And then see it grew tall. The plants. And then here's the green onion. The green onion. And then here's the broccoli. See the broccoli? That's the broccoli right there. And then here's the cage to block the rabbits. And then here's the eggplant. And then here's the holes that what the bugs did. You see that? I hope you like the visiting of the garden. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.